Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Ethan Kenny, and today we are going to learn about how to calculate the strength of connection for given butt joint with two different thickness of plates, or we can say that the using packing plates. Now the design data is given as two plates of 20 mm as well as 12 mm thick plate. We have given the pitch value, and we know that the pitch value is nothing but 2.5 into nominal diameter. It means that the diameter is equal to pitch value, which is equal to 60 divided by 2.5. Now the 60 by 2.5 is 24 mm. So we can say that the bolt is used is M24 4.6 grade bolt. Now the part is given as 20 mm thick as well as 12 mm thick plate. It means that the both plate thickness is different. So according to the given data, one plate is 20 mm, another plate is 12 mm. So for connecting two different thickness of different plates, we have to use the packing plate. So this one is our packing plate, which is used to perfect connection. Now the difference between these two, 20 minus 12, which is equal to 8 mm. It means that our packing plate is 8 mm thick. The packing plate which is used to connect the butt connection, if it is greater than 6 mm, we have to use beta pk value for reducing the value of VDSB, and beta pk, we have to multiply VDSB by beta pk. Another thing, the plate size is not given, but we have given the bolt pitch value as well as the bolt and distance. So if two numbers of bolt is provided in single row and total 6 numbers of bolt is provided, the width is 60 plus 60 plus 40 plus 40. It means that our width is 200 mm. So if the dimension is missing and the detailing is given, then we can find out the required dimensions. So from figure we can say that 200 by 20 mm and 200 by 12 mm plates is used to connect the butt connection, but we have to use 8 mm thick packing plate as TPK. Now according to Indian standard, we have to multiply VDSB by beta pk factor, and the value of beta pk is 1 minus 0.0125 TPK, which is equal to 0.9. We have to use 0.9 into VDSB for calculating the bolt value. Now we know that M24 bolt is given. So for calculation of VDSB, our equation is Fu by root 3 gamma MB into NN ANB plus NS ASB. Now ANB is 0.78 pi by 4 into D square, which is equal to 353 mm square. Now for the butt connection, we are using NN equal to 2 and NS equal to 0. It means that the term NS is eliminated. Let us put up the value. FUB is 400 according to the 4.6 grade bolt. Root 3 is constant. Gamma MB is 1.25. NN is 2 and ANB is 353 mm square, which is equal to 130.43 kilonewton. Now this value is multiplied by beta pk. So the VDSB equation is 0.9 into 130.43. it is 117.39 kilonewton. So after multiplying the coefficient of packing plate, we will have the VDSB is equal to 117.39 kilonewton. Now let us calculate the value of VDPB, but for VDPB we must have KB value, which is smaller of 3E by 3D0, pitch by 3D0 minus 0.25 FU by FUP. Now let us calculate the values. Now smaller of all the value is 0.51. Now let us calculate the value of VDPB. Now VDPB is 2.5 by gamma MB, KB, D, T and FU. Now 2.5 is constant, gamma MB is 1.25, KB is 0.51, D is given as M24, T the thickness of plates. So one plate is 20 mm, one plate is 12 mm and the thickness, summation of thickness is 12 mm. So total T is 12 mm into FU is 410, which is equal to 120.44 kilonewton. Now bolt value is minimum of VDSB and VDPB. It means that we have to use the bolt value as 120.44 for our calculation. Now from the detailing work, first of all we are going to calculate the value of AG, but the AG is minimum of total gross area. So if we take the 12 mm thick plate, then we will get the minimum area. So the AG is 200 cross 12, which is equal to 2400 mm square. Now next part is AN, which is equal to B minus ND0 into T. Now total 3 numbers of bolt in one particular cross section, hence our B is 200 minus 3 numbers of 26 dia hole into 12, which is equal to 1776 mm square. Now the value of AG and AN is used for calculation of the yield strength as well as the rupture strength. Now from the calculation we will have bolt value as 120.44, gross sectional area as 2400 mm square and net cross sectional area is 1776 mm square. Now let us calculate the strength due to bolt only, which is equal to total numbers of bolt into bolt value. Now we know that total numbers of bolt in single plate is given as 6, bolt value which is equal to 722.64 kilonewton due to bolts. Now next strength is due to rupture, and according to IS 800 2007 page number 32, the equation is TDN is equal to 0.9 AN FU by gamma M1 which is equal to 524.28 kilonewton. Now this value is due to rupture strength, and last one is due to yielding, and our equation is TDG from IS 800 which is equal to 545.45 kilonewton, which is due to yielding. Now we know that the strength of given detailing work or given connection is minimum of strength due to bolt, strength due to rupture and strength due to yielding. So strength is equal to minimum value, which is equal to 524.28. Now this means that butt connection with 12 mm thick and 20 mm thick plates with 8 mm thick packing plate and 6 mm thick double cover connection with M24 4.6 grade bolt, our strength is 5 to 4.28 kilonewton. If you have any query, you can mail me. My mail ID is described in the description link. Thank you.